Hi, welcome to RTC. In this video, we'll show you how to fix speaker problem on Windows PC. We have 3 possible solutions to fix this. Before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit that like button. Now let's start. Method 1. Click the search icon and type troubleshooting. Click to open. Now click Other Troubleshooters. Under Playing Audio, click Run. A new window will pop up. Click Yes, Open Audio Enhancements. Here, click this box, Disable all enhancements, then click Apply, and OK. Method 2. Click the search icon and type Device Manager. And click this to open. Here, in the Sound, Video and Game Controllers, click this little arrow icon, then right-click High Definition Audio Device, and click Update Driver. Click Browse My Computer for drivers, then click this. Be sure to select High Definition Audio Device, and click Next. A new Windows will pop up, just click Yes. Method 3. Again, click the search icon, and type Control Panel. Click this to open. Click Category, and select the large icons. Here, click Sound. Then be sure to select Speakers. Then below, click on Properties. Here, click on the Advanced tab. Then select the sample rate and bit depth to be used when running in shared mode. Test the speakers once done. Click Apply and hit OK to save all changes. Close Windows. Your problem is solved. Be sure to restart your PC. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable Windows tips and tricks. This is Randy from RTC, and I will see you in the next video.